What's up guys? You have me coming at you looking like a hot mess. So I'm just gonna warn you guys now, this might be a little TMI, but like I honestly don't care, and if you don't care, like you can listen. But first of all, I'm using this purse again. I haven't used it forever and I'm obsessed with the color. I love yellow. If you don't know, I love yellow. Yellow is my favorite color ever. And I used to use my big black purse all the time, and I'm kind of living for this one again. Anyway, back to the TMI. I got my period last night, and like Cole and I were driving, where were we? We were going home from the mall, and I was like sitting down, and then my back started to hurt like so bad, and I was like, I think I just got my period. And he's like, what? I said, yeah. Like, he's like, I have some napkins. I said, no, it's okay, I'll wait till we get home. And then I go home and my fucking period is here, and I'm pissed as hell because I don't want it to be here, but like obviously like I want it to be here, but like I don't at the same time. So today is day 2. Day 2 is always the worst for me. I don't know about you guys, but I literally feel like shit. My back hurts, my legs hurt, my head hurts, everything hurts, I'm dying. So I'm gonna go get some McDonald's. I was gonna get some Starbucks, but for the price of what I can get at one thing at Starbucks, I can get more than one thing at McDonald's. So I'm gonna get a soda and some French fries, and then we're just gonna sit in the parking lot and we're gonna talk, because we love a good sit down talking video. I love a good sit down talking video. They're so easy to film and they're so much fun to film. I enjoy these types of videos. I look so good today, except for my hair. I did not feel like doing anything with my hair at all. So let's talk about TikTok. TikTok is my favorite. I have been obsessed. I posted my first video on TikTok December 23rd. And it was just like, I told myself I wouldn't post on TikTok. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna download it just to watch them because I thought it was like really funny. So I started watching them, and then I was like, I really want to film on TikTok. So I just did this super cheesy first video, and I was like, okay, I can get used to doing this. This could be fun. So now I've been posting at least 5 times a day. I'm living for it. I'm loving it. One of my videos I posted 2 days ago has 50,000 views right now, which I know on TikTok is like a lot of people's videos get like that, but like for me, I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe 50,000 people saw my video. It's just crazy. It's so much fun. I enjoy it so much. All the sounds are fun, the trends are fun, the dances are fun. I have almost 3,500 followers. I'm gaining fast. It's so much fun, and I really love it. So yeah, if you don't follow me on TikTok, click the link below, follow me on TikTok, or like look me up, Black Lace Beauty, follow me there. It's so much fun. I have a great time. I think you guys will enjoy watching me, because why not? If you love watching my YouTube videos, you can see a whole nother side of me on TikTok. So I think that'd be like really fun. And yeah, so I have I have 2 bathing suits for the cruise coming tomorrow, and then I have everything I need to film my try-on Zaful / Shein haul. I've been waiting for these 2 swimsuits. It took a little bit for them to be sent out. They're finally coming tomorrow, and then I'll probably film the try-on. I don't know if it'll be tomorrow. I work till 2 tomorrow. So maybe I'll film it tomorrow, I'm not sure yet. But I will definitely be filming and posting that soon, because my Shein try-on haul did really well. So I figured you guys really liked it. So we're gonna do another one. It's gonna be some dresses and some swimsuits, because like I said, I'm going on a cruise. So these are just like the things I'm bringing on the cruise. So I figured you guys would want to see it. You know what I say, you know what I say. But yeah, so I guess I'm gonna go, because I don't want to talk about everything while I'm driving and then have nothing to talk about when we get there, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go, I'm gonna get my McDonald's, and then I'm gonna sit in the parking lot and we're gonna talk. We have to have a conversation. Okay guys, so you know when like you're on your period and you're craving something? Yeah, okay. Same here. So I'm on my period. I went to McDonald's because I was craving tartar sauce. If you guys think this is gross, I'm sorry. I know, it's freaking weird. I love dipping my fries in tartar sauce. I don't know why. My mom got me on it and now I'm kind of just stuck. I don't use anything else. No ranch, no ketchup, nothing. Tartar sauce. So I go to McDonald's and I say, hey, how are you? Can I get a large Diet Coke with light ice and a large fry? And she says, yes, anything else for you? And I said, can I also please get a side of tartar? And she said, of course, is that it? And I said, yes, thank you. So I pay, I get to the window, I grab my food. I don't normally look in my bag at my food because I don't want like someone behind me to like, just like, you know, get mad at me. They're waiting for food too. Like, I don't want to be rude. So I just take it and I go. And then I drove to where I normally park for my Starbucks videos because it has the best lighting and I just like to sit here rather than McDonald's. So I drove like 5 minutes away and I look into the bag and I see that I don't have any tartar sauce. So now I have to eat plain French fries and it's gonna make me cry because I was craving tartar sauce and now I can't have it. So now I'm just gonna cry, you know that feeling? Like, it sucks. It freaking sucks. So now I'm just gonna sit here and cry while I eat my plain fries. I would do like a McDonald's haul for you, but it's literally just fries and a drink. It's kind of boring. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna make some TikToks, and I'm gonna live my best life, or as good as it can be without tartar sauce. So I'm trying to think of what I want to talk about, and I can't really think of anything. Because my life's boring. I gained over 1,000 TikTok followers in a day. That was cool. Let me show you my TikTok I was talking about. This TikTok has, okay, hold on. That's not what I was looking for. This TikTok I'm so proud of. It has 52,000 views, okay? It's a duet with Charlie. But I saw this trend where someone did a duet with someone and then above theirs they put like a 0 and a heart, and then they put how many likes she got on hers, or like whoever they duetted, how many likes they got in a heart. So I did that and it blew up. Removing the sound because I don't want to get copyrighted for playing a TikTok song on YouTube. Sorry. That is the TikTok that blew up. So now I have 3 that blew up. So I have that one. I have, this one has 25,000. Ooh, man. What you doing with all the A's? Let me touch it. That one, that's 25,000. And then I have another duet that I did. So I don't know if you guys go on TikTok or saw this TikTok, but there was a TikTok where girls did the makeup challenge to like, I'm Mr. White Christmas, I'm Mr. Snow. That one, I don't know what it's called. It's from, I don't even know. But it has 25,000 views. I'm Mr. White Christmas, I'm Mr. Snow, I'm Mr. Icicle, I'm Mr. 10 Below. I can't believe I'm doing this because I don't want to get freaking copyrighted on TikTok. This is crazy. Not TikTok, YouTube. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Too much. And then she did more, but I'm not going to show the whole thing. If you want to go see the whole thing, go see my TikTok. But yeah, so those are like ones that blew up. And it's really crazy to me because I never thought that one of my TikToks would blow up, honestly. I don't know why. I just didn't think I would get that lucky. But it's crazy. So that makes me really excited. I have so much fun with TikTok. And I just have, like, I literally have so much fun with it. I have 38 drafts just sitting there, especially when so I did a lot of research on TikTok. And it says you should post about 5 to 8 times a day because TikTok is like random, I guess you would say. Like, people see you randomly in the For You page. And so, sorry, I'm hungry. When I'm at work, I work 6:30 to 2 most days. I want to post at least 2 TikToks between that time because that's when my followers are most active. So I always make sure like the day before, or like today. My sister was home today, so I didn't want to film a lot of my TikToks when she was home because she would judge me and I just don't feel comfortable dancing in front of her. But she works at 1. So I decided to film this video, go out, get my craving, and then when I go home, she'll be gone, and I'm gonna make like 10 to 15 videos. So for when I work tomorrow, I can post when I'm working, to keep it going. Because I don't wanna like only post once a day, because that's not how it works on TikTok. You need to post a good amount of time. Oh my God. If you know what I mean. So I'm doing that, and then I use all the popular hashtags. I try to do the trends. They say duetting people's good, so I duet people every once in a while, or like once a day I'll post. But if I'm posting 8 videos in a day, 1 duet is not bad, because it's not a duet. It's like duet 7 other videos I do and then another duet, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing, and I'm living my best life. It's so much fun, and I love TikTok, and I kind of feel bad about eating on camera, so I'm gonna finish my food because I'm really hungry, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I moved my spot because this really creepy guy came and parked right next to me, and he had McDonald's too, so I don't know if he followed me from McDonald's, and I'm just like sketched out like that. So like he probably was just like a normal person just parking there, but like I don't like stuff like that. I said, he got McDonald's, what a coincidence. He parked next to me, what a coincidence. And then I said, skirt, yeet. So I yeeted out of there. So now I'm kind of over my fries. I had most of them. Now I'm kind of over it, but lucky for me, I brought a treat. So I'm gonna turn this off, okay. I don't know if you guys tried this before, but I tried it almost a month ago, maybe a little less than that, and honestly I'm obsessed now. I don't know how you say the name. It's Bolivida, I don't know how you say it. Soft baked oats and chocolate. I'm obsessed. So I had 2 the other day, and like I don't feel like one's enough, and I know like one's supposed to be enough, but like it's never enough for me. It is so freaking good, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't tried any of the other ones yet. I do want to try the banana bread, and they have like I think it's like a cranberry one, but I don't like cranberry, so I'm not gonna try it. But I want them to come out with more flavors because I would love to try them all, and I'm honestly so obsessed with this flavor. Like, it's so good. So I'm gonna eat this to get my little chocolate fix in, and then I'm gonna check out my spot and go back there because the lighting was better, because like, you know, but we're gonna see if he's gone first. So I've decided we're going home. He's still there. I'm not living for it. And we talked enough. I'm not about to get kidnapped or killed, you know what I'm saying? I'm eating my Bolivida, however you say it. It's so freaking good. I'm obsessed. I live for it. I stand by it. I highly recommend it. I give it a 10 out of 10, how to recommend. So yeah. Oh, that makes me think. Do you guys want me to try viral TikTok drinks? Cause I really want to. I don't know. Ooh, the lighting is so bad. I'm sorry guys. That didn't even help. I really want to try the viral TikTok drinks, but I don't know how like popular that video would be. I mean, it would probably be like really popular because TikTok right now is like huge. But oh, look at my eyes. I just like blinded myself. Now my eyes are tearing up. Woo! But yeah, so we're gonna go home because I'm not living for it, and I honestly should go home and start filming some TikToks. Maybe I'll do trying to get famous on TikTok in 24 hours. But like, honestly, that's pretty hard, trying to get TikTok famous in 24 hours, not gonna lie. Because I tried to do it even without like making that video, and it just did not work. I mean, I did go up 1,000 followers. So like, I don't know. It just didn't work. Maybe I'll try that. I don't know. I'm trying to decide. But I think I'm just gonna end the video here because I literally live 5 minutes away from where I was. And yeah, so thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed just listening to me babble about literally whatever. These are my favorite videos. I want to know if these are your favorite videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.